Good morning, guys. Dre, the Forex King, coming at you with another video. Man, I'm excited. I'm going to get right into it. If you didn't see my last video, um, I asked for magic and it happened. Man, you need to go check that thing out. Do check it out for real, for real. Um, let's get right into it. I know it's 10:40 ish, a little late, but for good reason. So actually, let me do this real quick. So to speed up and to summarize everything that happened yesterday. Man, just watch the video. I'll put the video in the link, the first link in the description. I asked for magic and I got it. So I literally got it. But the fast forward, I asked for magic. I'll give you like a 30 second, a 30 second summary. I asked for magic. I was looking at the setup. Did the thing just freeze? Ah, okay. Thank you so much. Let me see. So we're watching it. We were watching the trades yesterday. I wasn't sure. Based on this particular candle, I was expecting the market to continue dropping. So I said, in order for me to even consider going into a buy, I would need some type of magic happen or something magical to happen. And sure enough, it did. It literally, this is what happened here. It hit, you saw the following candle here, and then it just took off. And I had a really phenomenal day. And then based on my strategy, I saw a couple opportunities to possibly run the market down. I got in, saw this bullish candle, got out. I said, okay, maybe it might go down again. Saw this, said, all right, it's not going down. Then I ended the day. So I ended the day actually really well yesterday. Today is the 13th, so yesterday was the 12th. As you can see from the 12th, boom, really good day. Really good day yesterday. I actually had a couple trades today. Um, I was gonna record another video, but honestly, I decided not to. That 20-minute video was enough. Um, I would have just recorded a video just for the kicks of it, just to summarize everything that was there. But if you watch the video, there was honestly no need for me to re-summarize anything, right? So there we go, right? So yesterday, the 12th, really good day, you know. So this is today. So the reason why I'm a little bit late with the videos is because I saw that I missed arguably the biggest move of the day. To be honest with you, um, when I looked at the market late last night, the market was here, which is why I have that green arrow there. So you saw what happened in the middle. I mean, this is a huge move. So knowing what the daily candle was looking like, which is basically a sell. It's moving pretty slow all of a sudden. All right, there we go. All right, so see it dipped now, but like when I got into the trade, it was just above this red line right here. And I put that red line just because I saw that it was hesitant, and I saw this wick, that wick. You see the wick, and then it pulled up before it closed, like a tiny doji again. So like, see all these wicks here? It was just obvious to me that red line was a pretty clear line. But the more important thing was, remember yesterday I was telling you guys that this double line, this area, this gap, which is, where is it? I noticed the gap on the daily, and it was like, okay, it's important right here. This gap is obviously respected. I mean, look what happened. It went up. You saw that during the day that it went up, came down, closed below it, and then from there it just dropped like a ton of bricks. And then that was that move from today, or like really late last night. I got in front of the charts like really late, and I completely missed the move. It's outside of my trading time frame anyway, so I probably wouldn't have traded it just because I want to stay strict to my rules. So I wouldn't have traded it regardless. But you saw what happened, and then today I saw what was going on, right? And obviously I want to run with the daily momentum, so I said, all right, I see the daily momentum. I saw a good entry, and I tried to get in. But what happened was, you can see where I was getting in now. Let me clear this out. I got in a couple times, but it was this blue candle that really had this blue line what really had me hesitant, because this was actually this candle right here was the 9:30 candle. As you guys know, I don't trade during crazy hour, so and good thing I didn't. This candle was bullish right after, and then it dropped. So it was this candle that I got into right here, and then I saw it play, got out, got into this candle, play, got out. And then I saw it wicking, and I said to myself, I said either a reversal is imminent just because of this candle and then this candle here, or I'm saying, it's this major consolidation. But either way, I wasn't getting the type of momentum that I would have liked to get for a solid trade. So I did the smart thing. I took the money. Some profits better than none. I literally left the charts, took a break from looking at it so that way I didn't force anything that would have happened, and I'm good. Like, I would have, now imagine me, I try to force this trade and then it just another level of rejection and it shot up. I'd have been really angry. But so you know what? It's clearly showing signs of rejection. Man, get out, take profit, and be done with it. It went down. That's okay. I'm good with that. I'm fair with that. But I'm glad I made the decision to step away, so that way I didn't put myself in a uncomfortable situation. And that is honestly me conquering FOMO, because FOMO, you're thinking, oh, I don't want to miss out on any trade or any money. Bro, there's always money to be made in the markets. And I'm okay with that. So, great day yesterday. Got some quick money today. And then we done. So I'll just wait for another setup. If I get a setup in my time that I want to trade, great. If I don't, man, had a phenomenal week. I'm not going to mess it up on a Friday, and be done and be happy and come back Monday ready, strong, and ready to go. But as you can see, with yesterday's trade, that really gave me a lot of momentum. I'm, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Now, obviously, it's a $5,000 account, so I have a little bit more to go. But honestly, I'm not worried anymore. Now it's like, okay, I hit my stride. I'm good. I showed discipline. Been patient. Just allow everything to handle what it needs to handle, and then I'll get there and I'll be good to go. But the data shows everything. Now that I've gotten through this challenging time, because we all got them as traders. We all have challenging times. You'll have a bad day or bad week or so. Last week was clearly a bad week for me. No, it was here. Words, everything just kept going down, down, down. I was making bad decisions, over trading, until I got disciplined and said, all right, I need to stop over trading, lock in, and get after it. And that's exactly what I did. So I'm locked in now. Great momentum. I'm about to get back into positivity and get back into profit. And then we're going to start to go after the bag and really end this month on a real high note. But until then, I'm going to wait for another setup. If I don't get another good setup by the end of the day, then honestly, I'm just going to end it. Enjoy the rest of my weekend, and then look forward to Monday. I'm still looking for a setup, though. I kind of hope I get a setup. But again, just because of the day, it's a bearish day. I missed two moves. This move, honestly, is slow, not really convincing. I didn't want to push just because I saw this. I can take this out. I don't really need this level. I just knew it was giving me problems when I was in the trade. That's why I put it. But I know this is more of a major level. This is a more important level. Obviously, the purple, that's an important level too. I'm not surprised that it's stopping here, right? So, like, I'll just watch my levels, pay attention. If I see something I like, great. With this being here, to be honest, I don't even know if I want to get into another trade at this point, just because how far is it going to go? Right here. If it goes lower, again, great. Don't really care about FOMO, because I mean that's going to be like a $4 or $5 trade, which is okay. But it's time to go get some real money. So I'll watch my levels. Pay attention to everything. It's 10:49. I won't make this too long. I appreciate you guys for all that you do. Thanks for sticking with me. Watch the first link, man. Ask and you shall receive. I asked for magic and I got it yesterday. But yesterday was honestly a really fun time. Most of the video was actually during the actual trade, so I'm really recording my trade as it goes. So you'll see the move. So happy trading. Be careful of the analysis. Be careful of the US30 because, as I said, the US is a monster. It does not care about you or me. All right. Again, appreciate you. Forex King out. We'll talk soon.